Hello, welcome to English 101. When you open your course on Canvas, you will see this course right here. I highly recommend that you click on Welcome to English 101 and click on the links to get familiar with all the different aspects of this course. Always just click the back arrow to get back to where you were. Check announcements frequently. All the tabs on the course should work. And you should be able to see intro information as well as module information. So each week we're on a different module. And just submit your work by the modules. So you can just go ahead and click on those module tabs when whichever one you need. Okay, so that's a quick get start for you, and hopefully if you have any questions, under course info there is a student lounge for us. To ask questions, so check this frequently so you can help your peers out as well. If you post on here and help your peers, I will be actually offering some extra credit. Okay, so I'm looking forward to a great semester, and I will be seeing all your posts. Thanks.